we've got three clusters we're concerned about as far as tornadoes go. The one here in Daviess County, that'll be out of Daviess County within the half hour. This one in Union County, which is showing some low-level rotation, now moving just to the west of Morganfield. And this third cluster down here at the bottom of your screen, that one has produced a tornado, and that is moving northeast toward Hopkins County. The wind velocity data and the shear, excuse me, is looking more significant. So for those of you in northern Daviess County, in particular those parts near Odin, and especially excuse me, south and east of Odin, we've got that tornado. There you can see it. It's passing just to the southeast of Odin. And there it is. That's significant shear, and this is a tornado, folks. This is the first one we can say with confidence today that is on the ground. There's the yellow speck right there. We saw that with the F3 last weekend. We also have significant rotation showing up down here in this storm in Caldwell County in Kentucky. That's headed toward Hopkins County. So a heads up for those of you in Hopkins County. A tornado warning may be necessary there shortly. We want to give Hopkins County a heads up because you're next in line. We've got a what appears to be a tornadic storm spinning down there near Princeton, Kentucky, moving northeast toward Hopkins County. So a warning may be necessary next for Hopkins County in Kentucky. That is going to be passing very close to Dawson Springs here in the next 10 to 15 minutes and heading up into southwestern Hopkins County. And this could eventually impact the city of Madisonville. So no official warning yet for Hopkins County in Kentucky, but we've got a storm that appears to be producing a tornado approaching Dawson Springs, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. The warning only officially for Caldwell County right now, but if I was in the Dawson Springs area, I would be in my basement right now. And Madisonville, you need to be preparing for the potential for a tornado there as that storm is headed your way. We're trying to work three significant tornado warnings right now. The most dangerous situation appears to be in the Dawson Springs area there in southwestern Hopkins County, and that storm is headed toward the Madisonville area within the half hour. By 3:40, you need to be in your tornado safe shelter in Madisonville. Areas between Dawson Springs and Madisonville, you are next in line to see what appears to be a tornado, at least from the standpoint of our News 25 first warning Doppler radar system. Dangerous situation here approaching the Madisonville area. It's now getting very close to Earlington. We're pinpointing it here. Oh, this is not good, folks. The latest data coming in is showing now what could be a major tornado. We are seeing a wind velocity data here, shear values in the F2 to F3 range. I hate to say this, but it's happening. It's headed to Madisonville, and Madisonville, you need to be in your basement now. I can't emphasize that enough. Lowest floor of your home. Get a blanket around you, okay? And when you get that blanket around you, get into the interior of your home, put as many walls between you and this tornado as possible. And when you find that spot, get under something heavy, a big piece of furniture, a mattress. Protect your head from the flying debris. That's what's going to hurt people in tornadoes. Flying debris. Cover your family up, cover yourself up, and protect yourself from what appears to be a major tornado now moving into or approaching the city of Madisonville from the southwest. This is just the worst case scenario here, folks, but it's here, and we're just going to have to try to get through this the best we can. We've had the warning out for Madisonville now for 15 minutes, but from what I can tell, we've got a tornado now just to the west of Earlington. Look at that yellow shear. I'll show you the values on this. 104 mile per hour winds. This is similar shear to what we were seeing with the F3 last weekend. It's at a slightly higher level, but it's still, we're talking probably F2 or F3 tornado here, heading into the city of Madisonville. And it is on your doorstep now, probably moving into the southwest side. So now is the time that you have to be in your shelter. We're going to walk you through this storm. Stay calm. Just get into that lowest floor of your home. If you're in a mobile home or trailer, hopefully you're already out of there. If you're northeast of Madisonville, you still have time to get out of your mobile home or trailer. But if you're in the southwest side of Madisonville, now is the time to hang on, to hunker down, stay in that tornado-safe area, and just be careful. This is what appears to be a major tornado now, passing just to the northwest of Earlington and headed right into the heart of the city of Madisonville. But let's just hope and pray that that this is not going to do too much damage, but it doesn't look good. I got to be honest with you here. It's coming into the southwest side of Madisonville. Okay, we have reports of it on the ground now. Is that west of Earlington, Stacy? Matter of fact, why don't you just turn your mic on and let us know. This is just in from a spotter. What do you have, Stacy?
This was actually from a spotter, but also a volunteer firefighter, I believe. He said they have a tornado on the ground. He's not sure how big, but it is on the ground in Earlington and at the intersection of 41 and 2171. And he said it's moving right toward downtown Madisonville.
There it is. Just a terrible situation right now in Madisonville. This storm is moving through right now, folks, so just hang on. Just hang on, stay in your safe shelter. You get through this, and just keep yourself protected. Flying debris is the #1 danger here, so protect your head, cover your body, especially your head, as this tornado moves through the area. Let me update the track here for points northeast of Madisonville. Hanson, Vendetta, Poplar Grove, Ashbyburg, Jewel City, Semaway, Rumsey, Calhoun, and Cleopatra. This looks like it's going to go through the heart of McLean County, Davis County, Kentucky. A heads up for you. Right now, it looks like it would pass just to the south and east of Owensboro. That's preliminary. These things could turn, but preliminary outlook for McLean County is the Calhoun area, and for Davis County, southern and eastern portions of the county, especially Utica and points south and east of Owensboro. Let's just hope and pray by then this thing is going to weaken some. But right now, this is a big one. It's in the city of Madisonville, and it's likely doing some damage. And remain in your tornado-safe shelter. We're going to ride this out, and in about another 5 to 10 minutes, hopefully this will be over with.